Ever wondered how a simple oil can transform your skin and health? Today, we delve into the world of almond oil. Extracted from the kernels of sweet almonds, this golden elixir is packed with nutrients that love your skin and health alike. It's a versatile player, enriching everything from your skincare routine to your culinary delights. With its rich profile of monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and other vital nutrients, almond oil is truly a gem of nature. So are you ready to discover the wonders of almond oil? Let's dive in. Our skin loves almond oil, and for good reasons. This golden elixir is a natural emollient, meaning it moisturizes and nourishes your skin, leaving it soft and supple. It's like giving your skin a deep, refreshing drink of hydration. But the benefits don't stop at hydration. Almond oil is also a natural anti-inflammatory. It can soothe irritation, calm redness, and provide relief to troubled skin. It's a gentle yet effective solution for those sensitive skin moments. And let's not forget about almond oil's anti-aging properties. Rich in vitamin E, this oil helps protect your skin from free radicals and UV damage. In turn, it can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Incorporating almond oil into your skincare routine is simple. You can apply it directly to your skin, mix it into your favorite moisturizer, or even use it as a makeup remover. With almond oil, a naturally radiant and youthful skin is within your reach. But almond oil goes beyond skin deep. It's a health booster too. Its richness in monounsaturated fats makes it a heart's best friend, potentially helping to lower LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol. But it's not just about heart health. Almond oil can also be a great partner in your weight management journey. The healthy fats it contains can promote a feeling of fullness, aiding in portion control and mindful eating. Let's not forget about digestive health. Consuming almond oil in moderation can aid digestion and soothe symptoms of indigestion. And when it comes to supporting the immune system, almond oil steps up to the plate, packed with vitamin E and antioxidants. How about adding a drizzle of almond oil to your cooking? It's a simple and delicious way to incorporate this golden oil into your diet. Whether in a salad dressing or a stir-fry, the subtle, nutty flavor of almond oil can enhance your culinary delights. Almond oil is truly a golden elixir for your health. Ready to embrace the almond oil lifestyle? This golden elixir is not only a powerhouse for your skin, leaving it soft and supple, but also a boon for your health. From heart health to weight management, even boosting hair health and bone strength. It's a versatile gem with a myriad of uses in your skincare regime or even your culinary adventures. So why wait? Experience the transformative power of almond oil for your skin and health. Start your almond oil journey today.